Switch it. Just use your imagination. Get up, living uptown. Uptown living in the garrison. It wouldn't be easy. Could never be easy. Not at all. Yeah, I know disrespect. It's just people living in other people's footsteps. It's more like a reality check. Know what I mean? Imagine uptown people are living on the ghetto for a week. Downtown move gone in the uptown era. Things nice, proper English them a speak. Uptown people coulda never stand it when the pipe them a leak. First of all, them never knew how to bridge light. Now I use the igloo with the ice them used to fridge life. Bitch a Porsche, I live a Spain. Bitch a Bruce Golden, live a 100 lane. Bitch a me, we're richer than Matalan. While him live a Ken tie up and piece of capture land. Bitch a Michael Leachin, one off the gully side. Him and the thugs them a bleach, so you can't go beside. Picture Bush Stewart, I wipe your glass and I ask you for the change where you got now. No, it wouldn't be easy trading places with the ghetto. It wouldn't be easy to hear rich people voice a echo. It wouldn't be easy, wouldn't be nice to see us rise, give them a surprise and let them know we can also live these lives. Imagine uptown people are living on the ghetto for a week. Downtown move gone in the uptown era. Things nice, proper English them a speak. Uptown people coulda never stand it when the pipe them a leak. First of all, them never knew how to bridge light. Now I use the igloo with the ice them used to fridge light. What if Sizzler was the commissioner? Police couldn't arrest with a split. If Alliance was national security, nobody couldn't violate nor slip. Suppose uptown people have a yam chicken back and ton cornmeal. Go see them with finger lick. Now imagine if ghetto youth a go at the ATM for draw cash. Uptown youths a pocket them a big no. Hey, me say we can't separate ourselves. Uptown, downtown, come we elevate ourselves. Street knowledge it make me educate myself and be wise. Me say we can't separate ourselves. Uptown, downtown, come we elevate ourselves. Street knowledge it make me educate myself and be wiser. Picture that, it wouldn't be easy. Uptown trading places with the ghetto. It wouldn't be easy to hear rich people voice a echo. It wouldn't be easy, wouldn't be nice to see us rise, give them a surprise and let them know we can also live this life. Imagine uptown people are living on the ghetto for a week. Downtown move gone in the uptown era. Things nice, proper English them a speak. Uptown people coulda never stand it when they can't them a beat. First of all, them never knew how for bridge light. Now I use the igloo with the ice them used to fridge life. Picture that, it wouldn't be easy, wouldn't be nice. No, could never be easy. Trading places couldn't be nice. No, wouldn't be nice. Believe me now, wouldn't be nice. People, imagine uptown people are living on the ghetto for a week. Downtown move gone in the uptown era. Things nice, proper English them a speak. It's so real. I'm gonna start the party. Listen me keenly. Picture PJ at the studio. I look at boss as a DJ. Picture Pickers girl at the bus stop. A ball said the sun hot. Them ever go through that? Yeah, man. Unite, live. Peace.